Got a big gang coming in right here in the front door. We're going to wear them out here right now. First customers of the day.
From Los Angeles, California, the Dogs.
Kill him. That's the way to do it right there, everybody. Every single bird in the flock down, Seaway Waterfowl Professional style. Here comes the big gang coming right now, about 20 birds. Gonna do the same thing, just a little bit left to center. Light Collins, all we need, a little twitch of the flag.
On the wheel.
Twitch it, Kyle.
Come to the road, that's gonna have a Rio.
Kill him.
A good time. Yeah, back there.
Laying them right in the front door. Single clucks and moans. Hold on, Kyle. Single clucks and moans is what you want to do on that. You hear that cluck-aw, cluck-aw? That's a goose and a gander talking in flight. And what you could hear there was one of my lead guys, Kyle Waite, down there on the left. He was hitting those single clucks, and then we're clearing it out, giving it that cluck-aw, cluck-aw. That two-tone that's so seductive, especially to the resident birds. Limited vocalizations. That's what you got to do to put them in the kill pocket.
All night long. Yeah, man, come on.
Get him, Bill. We got a deuce. You see the deuce? They want to come in hard right. They're coming.
Feel my soul, alright. Roll, 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 gotta feel my soul. You gotta chop the cool calm, you got to cheat on. Bum, 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 beep, pop, balula, con, con, chi, no, no. Eat, don't, chi,
He's coming from behind us. Here they come.
you can call, kind of not a cool low, low tone. But you told me, Bob, no. Talk, no, momo. Bob, Bob, no, don't go. Come, don't, take
Reload quickly.
Ashen lady. Ashen.
Boy, did we mow them down.
Give up your vows. Give up your vows. Save our city. Save our city. Right now. Well, I woke up in the morning. Got myself a beer.
1, 2, 3. 3 in. 3 down. They cheated the wind beautifully. Started to lose them out the back door. Couple long honks. Little clucking, little moaning, little twitch of the flag. Seaway Waterfowl Professionals, we call that air traffic control. Pretty good.
Roll, baby, roll. Let it roll, baby, roll. Let it roll. All night long.
Kill him, Steve.
Here it is right here. Matt gave me this. Thought it was on camera, but it was on video. There they are. They got 46 geese right there, and I am the guy that put them on the spot. There's no doubt of it. Yeah, that's right. Who's your daddy? Right there. There's the boys from Rhode Island getting it done again with the SWP team. Nice shoot, fellas.